Greetings to all of you watching this video. Today, we will walk you through a revitalized onboarding and training roadmap designed to significantly enhance our warehouse operations. This is not just about training. It's about building a highly skilled, engaged, and productive workforce from day one. Let's dive in. The initial phase of this roadmap is the onboarding foundation. Our onboarding process begins with a strong foundation. We focus immediately on integrating new hires into our company culture. It's about clear communication of our mission, vision, and values, alongside essential HR procedures. We ensure new hires understand their place within the organization and feel valued from the start. The second phase is the curriculum design and development. We have built a targeted learning experience. This involves a thorough training needs analysis, or TNA, drafting the design document and storyboard, working with area managers and subject matter experts to identify skill gaps. From there, we build a curriculum based on SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. The third phase is training delivery and facilitation. The training itself is interactive and engaging. We utilize a variety of methods, including group discussions, simulations, and real-world case studies. New hires have the opportunity to practice their skills in a safe and supportive environment, receiving constant feedback. Next is the transition to role and on-the-job support. Our commitment extends beyond the initial training. We provide mentorship and ongoing support during the new hire's first days and weeks, or even months. Regular performance monitoring and constructive feedback ensures they are meeting expectations and continuously developing their skills. The last and final phase is the continuous improvement phase. This program of the warehouse's operational excellence is not static. We are committed to continuous improvement. We actively collect feedback from new hires, regional managers, and subject matter experts. We use performance data, retention rates, and employee satisfaction surveys to refine the program and ensure its continued effectiveness. This revitalized tiered training program is a strategic investment in our people, leading to increased productivity, improved retention, and a more skilled and engaged workforce. From the warehouse department and its operational excellence section. Thank you.